You know that song is in my head now. You know that song, I was watching it. It's an old clip, a classic of this guy that goes on to, I think, a Nigerian pop stars. And then he goes, don't provoke me to anger or else we'll be in danger. Did you see the hands? Yes, guys. Hi, guys. It's the one and only Edlin Motamai here with Mount Walker Triple Eight. This is the business channel. No, you didn't go to a wrong channel. It's just that it's a business channel with a twist so that we can actually have some fun. Make sure you do actually subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll highly appreciate it. Also, in the comments, there is a link towards my website with all the information provided, even my socials, so that you can actually get through to me. Another thing is that, guys, if you want to send me any emails, you can send it to me via mountwalkergroup@gmail.com. It's always here or here on my videos, okay? And this is an unscripted, channel whereby I'll make mistakes in front of you, and you're gonna have to deal with it. Now, let's cut to the chase. You right now do not have money, all right? You don't have money, but you want to start an AI business that is low invested as well as cost effective, okay? I don't know why I'm speaking like this. And by the way, don't mind my nose, eh? It's been doing things because it's raining outside here in Johannesburg. By the way, I'm in Johannesburg, South Africa, guys, in case you haven't noticed. If you do see another location, it's probably because I'm busy dealing with clients with my VPN all over the world, because I actually own an AI company, okay? Whereby I do AI graphics, AI movies, I do digital products, I do everything, print on demand, I'm the G with that, okay? But I deal with it in AI form, okay? So now, guys, if you want to start a cost-effective whereby it reduce your cost as well as it's boring and you just want to make money out of it, okay, let's sit down and I'm going to tell you, get your pen and paper, and I'm going to tell you as to which business you can start with. Firstly, number one, you need to use ChatGPT or Gemini, okay? And therefore that is Banana Nano Banana 2.0, I think. Yeah, you can use that one because right now it's the best so far. So what you're going to do is that you're going to create a human being, okay? And then you are going to place it on Grok, or if it's not Grok, it is One AI, or if it's not One, it's Via AI, which the link is down below. I have left you one, okay, so that you can use it as a beginner-friendly tool, okay? And therefore, you are going to create a human being, okay? There is other AI, programs that I can place for you. I have already done it in my shorts, but I can do it for you once again. And therefore, this person is going to be moving and talking, and then you're going to open up an Instagram account, or you can open up a Facebook account and therefore create a digital product that you're going to sell. Or if it's not a digital product, you're going to create an affiliate marketing portal, which is CJ Affiliates, or you can go with ClickBank, or you can go with JVZoo, or you can do independent like Shopify or whatever, and then you can actually get paid for the referrals that you actually bring into the company with that link, okay? And that's the most boring way how to do it. So you're going to create movements like an influencer in order for you to get some money from it. And you're going to tell the influencer to say on that same AI generated pool that, you know what, click the link so that you can see what I offer. You understand? Some people don't even know that it's actually AI because they look so real. So therefore, you can actually open up a UGC content creator through AI with that. Second thing is that you can become an AI scripter. Or how can I put this? A freelancer regarding to Fiverr and Upwork, whereby, say for instance, you're not that smart in terms of, not smart, but you're not so talented in writing, but therefore you're going to use the AI tool in order for you to do services, but you're going to write it in your own words, okay? So you're going to read it over what ChatGPT said, or whether it's Claude AI, you're going to read over it and then you're going to write it for the client so it sounds like you, and then therefore you get paid for that, okay, in terms of your freelancer service. So therefore you can become a writer, or you can do editing. You can also open up an AI agent whereby it assists Or you can create AI agents for clients whereby it can assist them regarding to their businesses, okay? Especially when it comes to customer care with their businesses. You can actually sell a whole entire package towards a client, and then therefore the client's going to use your AI bot in order to eliminate customer care problems, okay? So therefore you don't do anything, you're just selling a bot, okay? And therefore you will generate income from there. Another boring hustle is that you can actually open up a cleaning service with AI. You can do an AI website just as per normal. And then what will happen is, okay, the AI website, I can say, is Hostinger. Yeah, it's the best so far. So therefore, what's going to happen is you are going to open up that AI website, and therefore you're going to put a booking service. And what will happen is, boom, you can even get people to work for you, or you can work for yourself. And therefore it's like a task rabbit. You go and clean up something. Maybe you want to clean up dogs, or you want to clean up shoes, or you want to do something, you know what I'm saying, you know, with that so-called service on AI, okay? I hope I did assist you guys. It's just the smallest that I can do, but the reason why I gave you basic ones is because it's boring, and therefore you will be able to open up your service or your business through that, or even an AI generated influencer in order for you to gain finance, okay? Bye guys, I love you so much. Make sure you do follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, I do have a sister channel, which is the Rumble page. Go and check it out, because I'm going to post today as well, whereby I do mental wellness education, whereby I try to help you with your wellness, okay, which is inside. I did outside with your money. Now it's inside. And if you do want to support me regarding to my digital products, you can go check it out on my bio or in the link regarding to my website with all my applications as well as threads. I have changed my threads, guys. I went and I deleted that other threads because there was a lot of political issues happening on that old threads, which is Mrs. Motsamai. So I've now opened a brand new one called the Mount Walker Group 888, and therefore you can actually get only business related inquiries there, okay, or speak to me directly, okay? Bye guys.